So I was just, I drove a rental car here, toured LA, I returned that, been inside the airport now about an hour. I was video gaming for about half an hour or so, but now I'm about to meet up with one of my coworkers, and we're leaving from LA and we're going to Australia. Be there for about 3 or 4 months, and it is a work trip, not a vacation, but of course we're gonna be having some fun. Get like a point of view. That's us in. That's Richie on the decks over here, baby. Yeah, it's a fucking magnet.
Hello, lovely
camera.
ladies.
Fucking six anywhere. It's magnet. Yeah, I got like a pendant thing for it. Looking right, you see that? Right next to the horse racing, right across the street, so you know what your boy's doing. Yeah, we landed about 2 hours ago. We got here to our area. It wasn't time to check in yet. We're strolling around. We went, bought some food, some drinks, some stuff, and now we're here at the room. It's a little hard to see, but we might already be causing problems. We already got the cops posted up right outside. Yeah, everybody hates Chris. This is what the boys look like when they're hard at work. It's like a season after the prison, I think. Alright, so it's about 8:42 p.m. here. Just about ready to call that a night. I just got out the shower, went walking around. I went and picked up the truck. Didn't really like so much driving on the other side of the road, but I mean, we got through it, got it here. Stopped at a couple stores, came here, did a lot of day drinking. We ordered some pizza, hanging out on the patio, probably bothered more people than we should have been. Listening to music, hanging out, and yeah, it's probably just about ready to go. Time to bed. Call that day for the day. First full day in Australia. Just about. I mean, we got here at 8 a.m., so it's been about 12 hours now. Sun's starting to set. Just getting ready to set, so I think I'm gonna call that night, chill out, and get ready for bed, really, till tomorrow.
That guy's hotel or something? That's fucking awesome.
That is pretty fucking
That's
cool.
fucking good as fuck.
Alright, so that's me back at the crib. It went and worked for a little bit. Didn't do sort of worked. We kind of like iffy on stuff, but that's me back now. It's 2:09. We left about like 8 a.m. this morning or so. Just finished driving back. Gonna probably shower, change, and then either go get something to eat or decide what to do next. But we'll see. Alright, that's us. Our second day here. We're off work. We didn't really do too much, but I'm here in the truck, about to go over to a Kohl's and then a Kmart, get some food, groceries. I had an adapter piece, but I forgot it, so yeah, I need to go get one of those so I can plug into this outlet and then have my adapter for my regular US AC outlet. But yeah, that one right there at that porch, that's over there where we're staying at, that's us, and then I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, we're right across from a horse racetrack. I believe this one's shut down. It looks like they're doing construction on it or something like that. But where we're also set up at is a horse racetrack where we're having our events. That's also where we're set up at. So yeah, gonna go to the store, Maybe I'll record driving there, maybe a little bit inside the store, but nothing really too crazy going on right now. So the parking lot was fuller there in Kohl's, but sitting here for a minute trying to figure out what that sign meant. I'm assuming it means half-hour parking, but it just hit 6 as well, so I'm pretty sure I'm good to go here now. Might be a little bit retarded here. Shit, guess no cart today.
Hi, how are you?
Hi, how are you doing? Thank you. I kind of stopped recording as I was walking by, but there's a bunch of open parking spots now. When I first came up, there's none. I pulled in, had to go around and park over here on this side street, but now, of course, lots of open spots. But I mean, it is probably close to coming up on 7 or a little after 6:30 or so, so it's getting a little less busy out. Looks like I got a bunch of chips and whatnot, but no, I got plenty of actual food. I just stacked them all on the bottom and the soft stuff like chips up top. I know how to stack my groceries. Don't know how to get out of the way on the street though. Alright, so was able to find some adapters. They weren't inside the Kmart. They had like some, but not really like the ones I needed. Luckily, as I finished walking through, I was able to find like an electronics store that was in there, and I was able to find these two fairly cheap, about like 13 Aussie dollars each. Also, where I'm staying at, when you go walking, like every like 5 minutes or so, you'll see it, but there's always a hot chick walking around, so it's not as common. That's cool about our spot too. You can just hang out in the front. There's a hot chick walking around eventually. But yeah, especially when you get in the city, there's a lot of hot chicks just walking around looking good. So that's what's cool about Australia, at least where I'm at so far. Still got a lot of ways to go. Also over there, there's a bar right across from us, but that's our room right there. That's where I'm staying. I don't know if I should go or not, if it's gonna stay open or what. Bro, this camera. Probably could have went for it, but I didn't want to go and then it dropping on the truck.
And then We can calm that shit down.
Yeah, like 50. Yeah, it's like $50 for like a pack of darts out here. Yeah, that's what first of all, it's too. Yeah,
I'm working on myself.
Your guys' bottle sizes are too small. They're too expensive, and you don't have.
It kind of seems like they've been watering down the liquor out here.
Yeah, you're watering it down, overcharging in smaller sizes.
They don't say it on the label though, so like, all right. So I'll take your word for it. I'm about to fucking get a BMB at like an 80 Tuesday. To be fair, Richie keeps drinking all my shit, so every time I fucking been out.
That's probably why. Maybe they're not watering it down. Maybe Richie's just refilling it. Like they're trying to make it seem like he wasn't drinking any.
I don't know. Or like I don't really notice that much stuff. Those bitches ain't asking for a quarter for this park either, because I don't even know what that is.
So that's me walking down over here to the barber shop. Definitely due for a cut. So I'm gonna go get a cut. Mainly been working these last few days, haven't been recording much. Can't really record too much of us setting up the big bounce houses. But yeah, mostly done, almost done setting it up, so should get some more recording done. But let's go over to the barber shop.
Hey, good. How you doing? Yeah, I don't got an appointment. You do walk-ins?
Yeah, we'll do walk-ins, but if you can just wait, he's finished because I've just got someone coming now.
No worries,
Yeah,
no worries.
you can take a seat or something.
You guys take American Express?
I think it should work, yeah.
Yeah, alright, perfect.
No worries, but thank you, it won't be long.
Thanks. I do, but I just shaved it not too long ago, so I'm gonna grow it out a little bit more.
Please, I'll just bend the sides in and that's it.
Alright.
Bend the sides in right here.
I didn't even think about that. That wasn't in the way, was it? Around my neck? I didn't even think about that. That wasn't in the way, was it? Around my neck? My bad. I probably should have took that off.
No. So good. It doesn't affect it at all, brother.
Alright.
It doesn't affect it at all. I'm showing you all above it.
Perfect. Oh yeah, it's looking great. Have a good rest of your day.
Now it's really a 360.
So yeah, we let the kids pay their tickets and all that. They got their own event going on, but for us staff, we got our own little shaded tent we got going on here. A little ball pit as well. Yeah.
Not so much that I don't mind, but we've been working hard a lot. I'm kind of a little bit sick. It's Christmas Day right now. probably like 2 p.m. or so. We're gonna have like a big dinner later, but James is on the guitar strumming and Richie's on the decks while I'm trying to get a nap in. So that's where we're at right now.
Come on, take that shit off. Let's go.
Right, so I'm the only other person who can really drive over here, and there's a big red button in this car, and I'm wondering if I should press it. Just hit the NOS.
Fuck this fucking bitches.
It's fucking just after midnight, 12:01, baby.
We're 40 Sir Mitchell. Big bounce at Studio Glasses and said everybody plays Stevie Wonder at the one. Also, this is Casey. Aye, that's funny.
That is fucking crazy.
It's not that far.
That's your boy back here at the gaff. It's now officially New Year's Day. About 5:10 in the morning. Just finished driving back, about 45 minutes away. Went with some coworkers earlier. We stopped at a piano bar. We're there for a little bit. Then me and another coworker, we drove about 45 minutes away with another local friend we knew. Hung out with him until pretty much almost what time it is now. But that's us back. Happy New Year. Also, got a couple of Australian flags now as well.